Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to draw a beautiful moonlight landscape in paint. This tutorial is perfect for you. So let's start the video. First, we will start by setting a night sky background. Go to the brushes and for a perfect night sky, use this hex code, which is a dark midnight peacock color. Now use this hex code and let's create the clouds. Add stars with the brushes tool. Use this code and create a light for the moon to shine. In the 2D shape tool, select the circle shape and create a perfect moon in the sky. For the landscape, set the color using this code. We are going to use the marker to create some hills. Using a watercolor brush, let's add moonlight reflection. Now we will use the brush tool to add a tree to our landscape. So, look, a peaceful moonlight landscape completely created in Paint 3D. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.